in a move that surprised many in Russia, has announced the deployment of military planes and helicopters to the West African nation of Mali. The deployment, which includes a number of Su-34 fighter jets and Mi-35 attack helicopters, is said to be in support of Mali's ongoing fight against terrorism and extremism. Russia's involvement in the region is not without controversy, with some experts questioning the true motivations behind the deployment. Many experts believe that Russia is looking to expand its influence in the region and is using the fight against terrorism as a pretext for military intervention. However, Russia's defense ministry has stated that the deployment is intended to help Mali's military fight against extremist groups and to enhance regional security. Others argue that the deployment is a response to the growing presence of Western powers in Africa. In recent years, countries like France and the United States have increased their military presence on the continent in an effort to combat terrorism and extremism. Russia's deployment can be seen as a way to counter this trend and assert its own influence in the region. Whatever the reasons may be, it is clear that Russia's military presence in Mali will have a significant impact on the region's security and stability. The deployment is also likely to have implications for the wider region, as countries and international organizations consider how to respond to Russia's growing influence in Africa. This is just the latest development in the complex and ever-changing world of international relations. Stay tuned for more updates on this and other global events as we continue to bring you the stories behind the headlines right here on History Unveiled. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the past, present, and future of our world. We will continue to keep you updated on the latest developments in this story and many others.